amazing cupcake, and today I am going to be showing you guys how to make crepes. I got this recipe from allrecipes.com, I think, and oh my gosh, let me tell you guys, it is the bomb.com. You guys are going to love them. They are so good. Yeah. So in this video, I'm just going to be showing you making them. There were a lot of rough stuff going on in this trial of making crepes. But you guys, I love baking. And this trial ended up being a yummy, delicious thing. And my tummy was like so grateful. Although it did not say thank you. Use your manners. Let's get on to what we need as our ingredients. For this recipe, you'll need 2 eggs, 1 cup of milk. I use whole milk just because when I'm making like anything like waffles or pancakes or now crepes, I like it being, extra creamy. You're gonna need 2/3 cup flour. This is only 1/3 cup, but I'm gonna add another at the end because I don't have 2/3 cups. So yeah. And then the last 2 ingredients you'll need is 1 1/2 teaspoons of vegetable oil. I used extra light olive oil just because I didn't have any vegetable oil at the moment. So yeah, just saying it will still work. Don't worry about it. And then just 1 pinch of salt to, give it some extra flavor. So now, that's all your ingredients. So yeah, let's get cooking. So yeah, you basically just use like floury ingredients, like no sugar, like milk and eggs and salt and olive oil. I just listed off all the ingredients, but like that's what you use for like pancakes, waffles, German pancakes, now crepes, like I said in the video. But yeah, it's kind of funny. Like you'd think there'd be sugar because those things taste awesome. But yeah, there's not. So anyways, now for the first step, you're gonna need a blender and you're gonna add the ingredients. There's not a specific order, but I showed you the order and it kind of gives you some tips too. So you guys should definitely pay attention to it. But yeah, you're gonna take a blender. You're gonna add these ingredients to it. And you guys are going to, I'm just like telling you guys are going to love this recipe. I just want to give a shout out to All Recipes because their recipe for crepes is literally one of the best recipes for crepes I've ever tried. So yeah, shout out to you guys. You're gonna go ahead and add in your 2 eggs. I like to put them in a cup first so that I can make sure, or a bowl too, so that I can make sure I don't put any shell. Because once already in the batter, trying to get a shell out, that is pretty hard. I'm gonna add the 1 cup of milk. Flour.
It's crazy, okay?
The olive oil, and last but not least, a pinch of salt. I just poured it in because it's really the same thing as a pinch, just not if you have it open and you dump the whole thing. That could ruin the whole thing. So yeah, that's the first step, just adding all of your ingredients. And now you're just going to blend it until smooth. So are you guys ready to see what happens? It actually looks really cool, trust me. 1, 2, 3. You can turn it up to halfway. Don't put it on high though. You can let it sit here for just about 2 minutes. So yeah, that's the cool stuff. And that time lapse that I did of it blending, I should do those like just for fun when I'm like doing things in the blender. Like I should say, okay guys, time lapse of blending a smoothie. Like comment down below if you guys would like that. Like I think you guys would. So yeah. Now you have to chill the mixture for at least 1 hour or else it won't cook evenly. So what I like to do is take a mixing bowl, medium sized. I'm gonna dump my mixture into the bowl.
Yeah, well, that's the thing is that you get like 30 cars to pick from that are all the same.
And now what you're gonna wanna do is take some plastic wrap and wrap it around the top, or else some weird stuff will happen and we'll get into the mixture, and that's gonna be gross. This mixture tastes really good. I bet these crepes are going to be yummy. Now let's put the plastic wrap on and bring it to the fridge. You guys are there? Yeah, so that's basically what you did in the recipe. You're gonna put the plastic wrap over. And I mean, I can't really think of the reason why, but yeah, trust me, you wanna put the plastic wrap over. And then we're gonna bring it to the fridge. So let's go. Now let's wait an hour for this yumminess to be done.
1 hour later.
So inside, here's the crepe mixture after it's been chilled. And now we don't have to worry about it cooking unevenly because this just helps it, cook evenly. So you really do not want to miss a step when making crepes. I'm getting sweaty over here. Oh yeah, that's right. It's getting kind of hot because we're heating the pan up for our crepes. Anyways, you guys are going to want to use a crepe pan. Yeah, there's a such thing as a crepe pan, because it's going to be really helpful. If you don't have that, then use a pan that's nice and shallow. Okay, so I am really not proud of myself right now. Oh my gosh. Because what I did is when I took the videos, I didn't even notice this, but I started too late and I was already talking. So I need you to listen to me. You're going to see me do this, but you're not going to understand me when I say it. You are going to butter your pan. After you butter your pan, you're going to heat your pan up for about 2 minutes on this heat. You won't be able to hear me saying it, but you want to put it on medium heat. Okay, those are my 3 steps. Put it on medium heat, spread some butter on it so it won't stick, and heat it up for 2 minutes, or else it will cook unevenly. So, let's cook some crepes! To about 5, medium heat, and butter your pan. Just, to grease it so they don't stick. And let me tell you, it sucks when they do stick. It up for at least 2 minutes or until hot, or else it will again cook evenly and you shouldn't have even tried to put it in the fridge for 1 hour. Now you can take the crepe batter and you can take a ladle, scoop just not too much, but just the right amount out that will fit in your pan, and you're gonna go ahead and put it on. And now you're going to put it around the pan and separate it evenly.
Right. I always tell them I'm going to find out for them live. That's the wrong way.
So now you're just gonna let your crepe cook until it starts having a bunch of bubbles around the sides, and then you're gonna take a handy spatula and you can flip it, but we'll get to that in a second. Here's what the crepe looks like up close. Now you can go ahead and flip your crepe, and it should be pretty easy.
All these moms getting the free clothes. Instagram. I'm trying on this Instagram account. I'm like, oh, keep it on that. Right? Those glamorous looks. Yeah, kind of sticky.
I'm not the baker. I got this recipe from All Recipes. So it kind of ripped, but I have a lot of batter left. So you're probably gonna be like this, and it's gonna rip. I mean, I'll show you. I feel like I'm on Nailed It, and I'm watching Nailed It right now. Well, my sister is. Actually, not me. My sister is. But yeah, it's pretty hard. So I think it's ready to come off though. This is our first crepe, but you know, keep trying. You guys are probably gonna do this too, so you guys are not allowed to judge me. Okay guys, this is round 2. I'm like starting to feel less professional. I'm like, okay guys, you do this. I got this from All Recipes. Oh my gosh, I'm so cool. And now it's kind of going everywhere. So here's part 2. We're gonna take our batter, just the right amount, because I made it the perfect thickness. I just need to work on my flipping techniques. Now we're gonna put it on our pan, and we're gonna put it all around our lovely pan that we have here.
So finally, when the first grade rolled around, I was like, okay.
Okay, so now,
This is first grade now?
what is that smell? That's so cheesy. I don't know. Oh, this is Giselle, by the way. So yeah, we're gonna let this cook, and then we're gonna flip it, and we're gonna hope. I'll show you my flipping techniques. I have high hopes. And maybe I should start playing. You gotta have high hopes for a living, you know. I probably will. Okay, guys, I think. Oh yeah, this baby's ready to be flipped. Okay, come on, let me turn you off. Stove, ready? Flip it. Instead of like nail it, because I've been listening to that because it's my sister's favorite show. Oh, look at that! It's flipped. Guys, I literally have to show this to you. It's flipped perfectly. I feel so proud of myself right now. I mean, oh, there's a little air bubble. Go away, go away. Ah, they're all popping up everywhere. I need to take you off before you die and get overheated. Guys, I think I did it. I'll show you it after, but I really think I did it. Okay, guys, now you can just repeat the steps that I did. Put the batter on and flip it, and I think you guys will be really happy. Here is the crepe that I made. So yeah, just repeat the steps. Okay, guys. So yeah, you can just repeat the steps that I showed you in my hard trialing times. And I'm just going to show you guys me cooking the rest. And then I'm going to show you guys eating my crepe and how the finishing touches were with all the toppings and stuff. And then I have to say bye to you guys. Sorry. Here's the chocolate crepe. We've already eaten a little last slice of the raspberry, which was such a big hit and awesome. Hey guys, welcome back. So yeah, they were some really good crepes. Here, look, I mean, I wasn't lying when I said good. All Recipes, thank you so much. This is the best. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment down below what other things you'd like to see me make. Oh my gosh, this is so good.